In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot issues with your Wise account if you're not receiving text messages. Now, whether you're waiting for those important verification codes or notifications, it can be frustrating when things don't arrive as expected. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process, step by step, to help solve these issues. Firstly, it's crucial to make sure that you're logged into your Wise account. By doing this, you'll be able to access all the necessary settings and information to start diagnosing the problem. Once you're logged in, take some time to explore the interface. Here, you'll be able to see any notifications or messages from Wise, particularly those explaining why you might not be receiving texts. These messages can be very insightful as they outline specific issues that may be affecting your account. One of the potential reasons you may not be receiving texts could be related to your phone or your service provider. Sometimes it might not be a technical issue on Wise's side, but rather an issue with your mobile device or the service you're using. So it's a good idea to double-check that your phone is able to receive texts generally. Maybe try sending a text to yourself or receive one from a friend to confirm. Moreover, there could simply be a temporary error with your Wise account. This can happen from time to time due to various reasons like server maintenance or connectivity problems. If you suspect this is the case, try waiting for a little while to see if the issue resolves itself. However, if you're still not receiving texts, let's move on to checking your device. One useful tip is to turn your mobile data off and on again. This can help refresh your connection to your mobile service provider and may resolve the issue. Don't rush. Give it a moment before switching it back on to allow your device to make a complete reconnection. If turning your data off and on doesn't work, the next step is to try turning off your phone entirely. Now, I know this might seem simplistic, but restarting your phone can sometimes clear out minor glitches that are preventing texts from being received. So go ahead and power down your device for a couple of minutes, then power it back on and check again. Remember, it's important to follow these instructions carefully. This way, you'll be more likely to pinpoint the issue and find a resolution. I'm confident that by the end of these steps, your concern will be resolved and you'll be back to receiving texts on your Wise account without any hassle. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and advice.